to figure out what's wrong with her. Do birds blink? Put her outside. She can't fly. She really can't. I don't know why. I just know that she's scared from something. But don't know what. You give her food? Yeah, I put food on her. I gave her water too. I just don't know what to do. I think it was a cat that fucked with her. I don't know what to do. She's alive. She's just scared. Hey, no, I'm not gonna do nothing to you. Don't bite me. I don't drive, so how am I gonna take this to a vet? Me and my mom are not talking. Second, in the Uber, they don't let you get a bird inside the car. So right now I'm just like, I feel bad. I don't know what to do. She's so cute. Talia, look at her. Her eyes are like blue. So cute. What if we open the door and see if she wants to fly? Should we? Lite for the morgon. Leave her alone. She don't wanna go out. I don't know what to do. Can Talia drive, Malu? No. They're asking if you drive. No. Should we call a vet? I don't know what to do. Call a vet. Call a vet. That we have a fucking bird. I don't even know if this is a pigeon or some shit. A pigeon. Tell them that we think it's a pigeon. It's not moving. We don't see any broken wings, anything. She just don't want to fly. Sorry.
You must have a dumbass saying that.
You're not. If something else, say it. You're not gonna sound like a dumbass. We have a fucking bird. I don't want the fucking bird to die. It's so pretty to die. It's so pretty to die.
You
She's not dead. She's not dead. Look, when I move her, she moves. She's not dead. She's hurt. I know what I'm saying. I know when a fucking animal's dead. She's not dead. Stop being negative. Jesus. You might not be want to be holding it. They have disease. I don't care if the fucking bird has disease. I'll wash my hands. I'm not gonna touch my face. I don't want her to die. What they say? Tell them that we gave her bread, everything. She just don't want to move. It's fucking fun. I think she's pregnant. What? Ask them if it could be that she's pregnant.
She says she has no idea about birds, but that it could be.
It's a fucking vet. How did I not know about
She
birds?
only specializes in dogs and cats.
So, call a vet that's for birds.
But they don't see it. They're not gonna know what's wrong with you.
Okay, but what do we do with the fucking bird? I don't want to die. I don't want her to die. She's cute. She has blue eyes. Her wings are good. Sky, get the fuck out of the bird, bruh. Leave her alone.
Hey, what's wrong with you, bro?
I don't know what's wrong with her. She's still alive. She's moving.
I think it might be this little patita.
You think it's a leg?
But like, there's nothing wrong with me.
Don't flip her that hard. Don't flip her that hard.
What's wrong with you?
Just be gentle. She's moving. She's moving. Make her
I
move.
think she can't walk yet.
Is the leg? So how do we put the leg back?
That I don't know. I don't know. It looks retarded. Look at that little thumb right there.
Yeah, I feel like she broke her leg. I think it was a cat, bro.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
I think it's a fucking cat. Bro, I hate cats. You should open her mouth and I'll put water on her. Like that.
Hello.
You should open her mouth and then I put water on her.
Let's try.
Alright. Let's go to the kitchen now. Let me get the cup. Take her outside again. I literally opened the door for her and she did not want to fly. What do you want me to do about it? Fucking throw her? No. Alright. I don't know how the fuck this will happen. Let me just drink water. Drink it. You need it. Open her mouth. I don't know where.
Hello.
We're trying to help you. Can
Cooperate.
you cooperate? Cooperate with us, bro. I guess she's pregnant. She doesn't even look pregnant. Her shit stinks. But let me wash my hands. Oh my god. Yeah, saying take her to the vet like if I have a fucking car. I mean, I do, but I can't use it.
Look at this. It looks retarded even saying nothing.
I think it's her leg. I think it's her leg. I think a cat bit her, bro. It has to be.
How the fuck is a cat gonna catch up to this thing?
I don't know. She was probably knocked out or she fell off something.
Here. You want me?
Put her here.
Oh, Hannah.
She just can't move. Yeah, it's her leg. It's for sure her leg. I'm just trying to figure out how the fuck. Who's Devante? Who's Devante? Wrap the leg and put pain medicine. Huh? Chop off her leg? Are you fucking retarded? Shut the fuck up. Nasty creep motherfucker. Guess Maggie knows how to drive. My mom works in an animal shelter and is holding her does not help it because it's in shock. Best thing to do is lay down on a towel and leave her alone.
Okay, let me put her back in the trailer.
Okay, but let me get a towel or something because she's kind of getting dirty. Let me see.
Just put the paper on.
Don't put her yet. She's gonna get dirty. And take off the little thing. That's for the fucking mosquitoes. It's next to the shit.
This thing?
Yeah, the one that was stuck in her too.
Oh, this thing.
I'm just gonna put on my Christmas jacket there. Huh?
This?
Yeah. I feel like... Who the fuck is the... Who is he?
He's a magician, but like magicians be having birds and stuff. So I guess he has doves, so he knows what to do.
Okay, but where's he at? I can see.
He's commented like 50 times.
And I can't even see you. Oh, now I see you.
You can't see me.
What's his name?
It's Devante Magic. He has like a picture of him like with cards.
Okay, let me see.
Right here. It says I'm commenting. Yeah, it's gonna be a struggle.
This? Okay, I think I found him.
All right, bet.
I found his IG, but I can't go live with him. It's not letting me. Oh, God. Oh, right here. Right here. Where is he? Right here.
All right. Okay.
Hey.
Let's get this dove alive. So I got here at the end, so I know it looks like he's obviously not flying away. So you guys got him from outside, right?
Yeah, he was like laying down in the ground, like wouldn't move at all.
Yeah. So he doesn't have his balance right now, so he can't fly. It doesn't look like his wings are cut. Can I see him real quick?
Yeah.
No, they're perfect. We already checked them. They look pretty good.
Yeah. So it doesn't. Yeah, they're fine. So he's a wild dove. Yeah.
I think it's his little paw. Like he can stand straight. Is that the other one?
So you're gonna have to just look. So two things. One thing with a dove that'll kill him is any wind, like any not wind, but like any cool air. So you want to just keep him not in a hot place, but just room temperature somewhere. I would
So in the
grab
garage.
like.
So we put him in the garage.
In the grass, you said.
Garage. In the garage.
In the garage is fine. The garage. Just make sure there's no air current, like like a door open, like a wind coming in.
Yeah, it's really cold here, so I'm pretty sure.
Because he won't be able to maneuver himself. But so you want to do that. The water, remember, these are they have prey that eat them. So when you're trying to force him, he's not going to drink the water because that's when they mostly could die, right? So there, you have to just leave the water there, and he'll slowly but sure. So put it like a little cap, take like a little water bottle cap, and leave it there, and then he'll drink the water. Trust me. The other thing is get him some food, maybe like obviously you can have like some not some
bread.
Bread, they're not gonna eat. They'll eat the bread. Doves will use
rice.
No, that would be too hard. You need like actual seed, like actual bird food. I mean, the good thing with these birds is they can hold off for like a day or two without eating. Unfortunately, that's what some people do. They'll not feed them for a couple of days just to get them up and going. But put some seeds. Like as soon as you can get to a store, get some seeds for the bird.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Sunflower seeds as well. Listen, I would love to show you what I do, but I want to make sure the dove is fine. You let me know if it's okay. But I'll tell you what it is that
I'll
what I do.
follow you. We could go live another day. I'm just trying to figure out what to do with the bird.
Take care of that. That's more important. Get them seeds, so sunflower seeds. But when you go to the store, they'll tell you exactly what kind of seeds.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. All right, Malu.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so let's put him in the garage. I feel like we should put him here. Look. Yeah. Put him there. Get the water. You're gonna be fine. You know you are. You're gonna be fine. I'm gonna try putting in breadcrumbs anyway. I do have breadcrumbs. I feel like they could eat that. It's not that hard. I'm literally putting him in the bed where my other dog died, Dalu. So you better feel special, boy. Because I don't even let my other dog touch this blanket. I'm gonna go get breadcrumbs. You should get the big water. No? Okay. Let me get breadcrumbs. Where the fuck are the breadcrumbs? Right here. I'm gonna take one of this off. I know birds are not supposed to eat bread, but this is the only thing that I know. You could at least try. Do you think I should put in breadcrumbs? It's like bread, right? Really little. They're really little. Okay, here you go. Just do them. In England, birds eat bread. I know. In Spain, I be throwing bread and they be eating it. I feel bad though. I don't want to leave her alone. Alright, yeah, bye.
Next.
How can I see it? Do y'all see that? There's a bird there. They have the same tail. What if it's the like that's the mom and that's the dad? Let me get up on this thing. Is it the same bird? Is it the same bird? Should I grab the bird and put it there? No?
She's gonna attack you. Those are her kids.
She's gonna attack me? Okay, but She has the same blue eyes. Let me add this guy again. I just found they have a little thing here.
I just got here. What happened?
Okay, so look, there's a bird that looks just like the one inside.
Okay, so that's yeah, they're exactly the same breed.
So what do I do?
So I'm wondering if that you know what, I didn't see him well because I couldn't see him, but it might be still a baby, but it's not a baby. It might be like a. Like
So
a
what
teen.
if I get the bird and I like close it up to them? Because I don't.
That would be better.
I don't
Yeah.
want the bird to attack me.
It should be fine. I think you should try it. Do it slowly just to see. Hopefully they're not. I mean, if they're together in the same nest, that means they're not fighting. I mean, you don't want two males because they will hurt each other. Remember, these are doves, not pigeons. So don't treat them like pigeons. That's what we see in the street. Doves are a little bit harder to find, but try it.
Oh my god, on my phone. Beat by a bird, I swear to God.
They're not gonna. They're very. They're peaceful.
No, because what if she attacks her because she's the mom of the baby?
No. That, and even if they attack, like it's not like a pigeon, which can like doves are. They're considered the peaceful animal for a reason. So you'll be fine.
You think so?
I promise.
Give me a bubble.
And this little one is trying to eat the bird.
No, don't eat the bird. He's like, I see it. I see the bird. Yeah, that's a good. The only thing I would say is make sure there's no egg. I mean, is she getting a ladder?
No.
Okay. Just watch out, Malu. Make sure there's no eggs inside. If there is, just be extra careful.
I think there are eggs.
Okay. And be as less threatening as you can. Be.
Okay, I'm just gonna show her the bird. If she don't fuck with the bird, then.
You got this, Malu. It's better than leaving them down there. Trust me.
I don't think she sees me.
Hello, bitch.
Because they have the same eye color. I don't know.
Yeah. They're definitely together.
But she's not moving either.
Try to place her on.
I think you need something higher to be able to reach this.
It's like what?
Do you have a ladder?
Una escalera. I don't think
Una
so.
escalera. Es para que puedas ver si tienen los huevitos.
Hold the bird. Give me the camera, and I'm gonna zoom into it. Like I'm gonna put like the. Watch out.
Okay, that's smart too, so we can see it.
Okay. Where the fuck is the bird? I'm gonna put it. No.
This is giving me anxiety. Okay, go.
Okay. Let me see where I could get. Huh? You're like, hey, look, your husband. Let me get on the other side. See if I can see it on the other side. Yeah.
Look, you put that one on top of this one.
Which one? Oh, you want me to kill myself?
No, guys, the dove won't attack. At the best, it'll pick at her a little bit, but it won't like attack you.
I can't see shit.
Put this on top of that one and try to see if you can get it like that. I don't think
Oh, you wanna do it? Cause we could try it with you. All right, she's gonna do it. Give me the bird.
Okay, let's see. It's
Don't
definitely
bite.
the bird's leg. I can see the legs.
Here we go.
I'm saying, take off that pillow.
Oh shit. Okay.
Okay, that's smart. Now get up and
Don't break your legs.
Don't bust your. Don't bust it.
What if it breaks?
It's not.
You got this. Can you look up there?
Yeah, but I don't see any eggs.
You don't? Get the bird and be like, hey, this is your friend or not?
Or nah?
All right.
Hi. Looking at me. She's looking at me. Bro, I'm so fucking scared right now.
Why don't you?
Hey.
No, the bird is not dead, guys.
I'm very shaky. What do I do? Do I leave it there? Do I put it there?
I don't know.
Place it softly on the nest.
You want me to bring the chair closer?
No. But what if she bites me or something?
She's not gonna bite you.
Sorry. She moved her wing.
She's scared of you. That's the only thing you have to remember.
Just go soft.
What did she do?
With her wing.
Oh my god.
She's a little scared, but just go ahead.
What are you
Stop
doing?
moving your wing like that. I don't think there's space for him there.
Oh my god.
I'm scared for him there. Look what she's doing. Cause let me show you. Look at this. She just moves her wing like.
Okay, yeah, that is a protective. I want to see if she picks out the. Do it slowly. Place the bird on there closer. The other bird is not reacting though, so it should be fine.
Oh my god. I'm not fucking with that. Here, bird bite.
Told you she's not gonna bite you. She's just scared. She doesn't. And there probably is eggs in there, but she wouldn't bite you.
Well, she looked like she was back.
Do this. I think it's still safer if you keep the dove. If that's family, the dove will recover and go to there. I think you're just gonna have to leave it down there, unless you can do it while you're above, so that they know that you're not trying to eat them.
Huh? What do you mean?
Put the thing back in the ground. I was about to call it a dog.
Do we put it in the garage again, or?
I think you need that dove to recover right now.
Yeah, this bird's being a little shady and shit.
Yeah, shady ass bird.
Here, hold this one so I can put the thing back.
All right, give me.
But there's probably eggs in there, and you wouldn't see the eggs. The eggs would be under the other dove.
I'm pretty sure there's eggs. I think my mom recorded it once. So if there's eggs, it's worse, right?
Yeah, if there's eggs, she's not gonna bite you, but she's being protective. That's her way to say, get the fuck back.
Nice. Nice.
I love how this bird does nothing though. He's just like,
Yeah, like he's just nothing. He doesn't even be like, "Hi, bitch, are you gonna let me in or not?" Oh my god.
but the one you have looks young.
Yeah, he looks little. He's moving his head. But he's not even like moving.
Yeah, I'm surprised he's not moving his wings at all.
Don't bite me.
Which means, where did you find him? On the floor, right?
Yeah.
So I don't think he knows how to fly yet.
So how young you think he is?
I think he's young. I mean, usually when they're super young, they're not fully feathered, so they look really
He's so
bold.
cute though.
But he
How do
looks
you pick a
brand.
guy?
He looks like a baby. He still looks like a baby.
How do you know if it's a guy or a girl?
It's really hard to tell from camera. I'd have to be there. Somebody said just eat it. What the hell's wrong with you guys?
No, yeah, somebody was like, kill it so you don't suffer. Like the fuck.
Nah, leave it in your garage for now. You got the water. He'll survive on water, and then you want to get him some seeds whenever you can. Sunflower seeds also work.
I put in breadcrumbs. That's the only thing that I have.
The good thing is they're used to seeing a whole bunch of shit on the floor. So if it's good for him, he'll eat it. If not, he won't. He'll stay away from it. You can put some bread. He might already be accustomed to eating bread, but if he's a baby, that means his mom feeds him.
I'm putting in here. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Let go. Okay. He doesn't want to drink water. Look.
Yeah, he won't drink water in front of you, unless he's like dying of thirst.
Okay.
You just gotta leave him.
Well. Okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna wash my hands again. Thank you. You're pretty smart.
No, I've dealt with doves my whole life. Okay.